Good morning, children. Okay, very good. See, yesterday we have learned about types of maps. How many types of maps? There are three types of maps. What are they? They are road map, railroad map and world map. Very good. In road map, we can observe, we can see the places where we have to go. Okay, this is road map. In the road map, we can see the place where we have to go. We can search for them. Okay. Now, in railroad map, okay, this is our railroad map. We can observe here. See here. This is to Chennai to New Delhi. Okay. We can observe that which station we are crossing while traveling to Chennai to New Delhi. Okay, very good. So in this map we can observe which stations we are crossing through. Very good. Next, this is world map. Already we have learned about this. This is world map. Okay. In this picture, Raju has searched for Egypt. Okay, this is world map. In this world map, what are there? They are continents and oceans. Okay, 7 continents and oceans. Okay, see, these are continents. All these are continents. Okay, world map means we can understand these are for to search about continents, and in one continent, if you want to search anything in one continent, we can search for that country. Okay, now see, already I have given you this for your homework. Anyone wrote this? Okay, if you write, I'll send this in your Google Classroom and you can check the answer. If not, write the answer. Okay, today we will discuss about map reading. Okay, what is map reading? Map reading is nothing but knowing about the map. See, map reading. Map reading maps becomes easier when we use the components given on the maps. Let us learn more about these components. Okay, see, nothing. Map reading means nothing. Some components will give on the map, and by that we can understand what is that map belongs to. Okay, see here. See, how can you understand this is railway map? See, they have given here railroad map. Okay, by this we can understand this map belongs to railroad. Okay, now map title. Map title means now only I told you, I showed you in this picture railroad. Okay, that is map title. A map title tells the users what the map shows. What the map title tells the users? It shows what is the map, what that map is about. Okay, see this picture. Can you name this? Yes, very good. What is this map? This is world map. How can you tell? Because you have learned about this map's title. So you can tell this is world map. Very good. In a single line, it describes the information given in the map. In a single word. How can you tell it is world map? Because already you have read about this. These map title, you know about this map title. So you told that, when I asked you the question, you told that this is world map. Okay, very good. In a single word, we have described it. For example, a map with the title States and Union Territories of India shows the states and union territories of India. See here, already I have showed you this map, and this map is for railroad. And see this map. See this. What is there here? This is our India map, and this is for states and union territories of India, and it shows all the states in India and all the union territories in India with borders. Okay, with borders. Now we have completed map title. Now we have to learn about map scale. How can you know about map scale? What is map scale? Map scale is nothing but, see this picture and see this one. Okay, see. What is the actual size of this pen? Only this is the actual size of the pen. If we draw this on a book, how you can draw as much you want to draw. Okay, see the question here. Which picture represents the size of the desk and pencil correctly? Okay, see which is the correct shape of the correct size of the desk and pencil? A or B? Tell me. B. Very good. Because this is a picture. We have here someone drawn this, and this is the actual one. Okay, this is the size of the pencil and this is the size of desk. Very good. You can draw the exact size of a pencil in your notebook. See, this is our notebook. We can draw exact size. See, this is the exact size of a pencil. But not the exact size of the desk. But we can't draw the exact type of a desk. We can't draw it. Similarly, it is not possible to show the actual size of the world on a paper. Okay, same as like that. Similarly, it is not easy to show the world, a whole world. You can't show the whole world on a just single paper. Okay, we can't show full on the paper. The details of different places are presented in a smaller size on a map. Okay, for that reason we use map. Okay, for different details of different places. See, I told you this is map. Okay, we can't show whole world on this paper. That's why we can see the details of some places in this map. Okay, see here. This is Tamil Nadu and this is Andhra Pradesh. This is Telangana. You can know by using map. A map scale refers to the relation between the distance on a map and the actual distance on the ground. Okay. See, we don't know the distance of places from here to somewhere. Actual places. Actual distance. Okay. See, on map, if it is from Andhra Pradesh to Telangana, if it is just 1 centimeter on map, actually the distance between Andhra Pradesh to Telangana is 500 kilometers. If in map 2 centimeters from Andhra Pradesh to Telangana, on land while we are traveling it is 500 kilometers. Okay. See, for example, 1 centimeter on map represents 250 kilometers on the ground. Now only I told you, no, if 2 centimeters on map, on ground it is 500 kilometers. Okay, see the picture here. Here to here 1 centimeter. See, 1 centimeter equal to 250 kilometers. Okay. On map, if it is 1 centimeter, on ground it is 250 kilometers. Okay. See this picture, all of you. See this picture. What you can see in this picture? You can see blue color. Which colors you can see? You can see blue, green, white, somewhat. Okay. Use the color codes to color the map and answer the question. Okay. Colors. What colors are there? See here, down they are given. The tree is in green color. The river is in blue color. The mountains in brown color. Okay. Now see the second question. How did you identify this map? These on the map. Okay. You have to write the answers here. Rivers, mountain. So this is the homework for you today. Okay children. Take care. Bye.